सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक्निकल मनोज विद एनिमेशन को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं लेटेस्ट वीडियो पाएं सबसे पहले।
In this video I will give you complete information about the hard disk. Hello friend, Manoj Madhavi welcomes to my channel, Technical Manoj with Animation. Whenever you save any file on your computer, that file is saved in your computer's hard drive. If you have interest in computer parts, then you must know about the hard drive. What is hard disk? Hard disk or HDD is the same thing. It is a physical disk which we use to store all the big small files of our computer. The difference between hard disk and RAM is that hard disks are used to store things, but RAM comes in handy to keep things stored in that storage. When we shut down the computer, anything read in RAM gets cleared. But in the HDD the data is not erased even when the computer is switched off. A disk rotates inside the hard disk. The faster the disk rotates, the data can be stored or read as fast as possible. We measure the speed of hard disk rotation in RPM revolutions per minute. Most of the hard disk is 5,400 revolutions per minute or 7,200 RMP. Obviously the 7,200 RMP hard disk is faster than 5,400 RMP. Why is the hard disk slow? Whenever we store the data on a hard disk, it is stored in pieces, and many times those pieces move in different parts of the hard disk. When there is more data on our hard disk, then our computer has a little difficulty in finding things in the hard disk, due to which it gets slow. If you have to keep the hard disk fast, then from time to time, defragment your hard disk with your computer's software. By defragment, the hard pieces of all files come together rather than at different places, and our computer has no problem finding the files on the hard disk. What is external hard drivers? The external hard drivers are exactly like our computer's hard drive from within, just the difference is that external HDD is externally used by USB post on our computer. Transcend information 1 external hard drive. Due to the USB connect, external HDD works slightly slower than the internal HDD. The advantage of external HDD is that you can take this anywhere with you. What is SSD? Disk rotates in hard disk, but there is no chip in SSD, no drive revolves in it, due to no physical rotation drive. The speed of the SSD is that the speed of the solid-state drive is multiplied by the speed of the HDD. But the problem is that SSD is costly because of its internal texture. SSD takes less power to run and is fast. Because of this, nowadays all the ultrabooks come in SSD. Such as SSD in Apple's MacBook Air, comes in advance already. Thank you for the watching. I think you have got to learn something from this video.